Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to disable the GitHub Copilot suggestions and autocomplete which occurs whenever you go do coding inside your VS Code. So this autocomplete automatically completes your code. So for some reason, if you want to disable this, because if you are doing coding by yourself, you don't need the support of this autocomplete. You can disable this. For disabling it, you first of all go to the settings right here, and inside this search field just need to simply select Copilot. Just search it, and after you search Copilot, you will see on this site GitHub Copilot. You can actually, this pencil icon will come right here. By default it is on, it is set to true. So now you can disable this and change this from true to false, and just click the OK button, and this will disable all the auto completions and which occurs. After you done that, again come to this file here. If you try to write your code now, you will now see no autocomplete will be there. It is completely disabled, and now you can write your own code with your own yourself. So there will not be a help auto completion or with the GitHub Copilot. So again, if you want to again do this, you just change this from false to true. This will re-enable this once again. So now what happens, it is automatically enabled. So in this easy way, you can toggle this enable, disable or GitHub Copilot, autocomplete and suggestions inside your VS Code. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.